Join us as we make our way through some of Buenavista de Cuéllar, Guerrero. This now city has grown so much in the last few years, from the first day that I visited with my husband about 18 years ago to now. There has been so many updates. Let's walk down some of these streets so that you can see what I am talking about. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about some of the fun things to do here as well. One of the most beautiful and distinguishing things about this city is that regardless of where you look, you will see these beautiful mountains surrounding it. So let's put on our huaraches, some that were made here locally, and let's take a walk. Oh, the water. As we are walking down, you could actually see part of the town up there. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So you can see that we are elevated. It's a little higher up. Oh, and then this is also my father-in-law's land, and he comes down here and waters it all the time. And we're gonna go down and buy some ice cream. Legend says that Giovanni, when he was a baby, he used to come down these, or go up and down these steps in a burro. And there's a burro. Caballo, caballo, caballo.
Hello, horsey.
Hi, horsey.
I couldn't pee.
This is one of the city's elementary school, which is coincidentally the one that my husband went to school many blue moons ago. Let's make our way to the downtown El Centro. I think we are very close to the little downtown area, the church. So this right here is like a little chapel for the church, and then right up here is the church. This is the downtown church by the kiosko, where a lot of the main celebrations take place. So many cars and so many motorcycles, but this is like the little downtown area where you have a little restaurant here, and then you have the kiosko right in front of the church is right up there. So this is where people would come out and kind of hang out. This is also home of really good food, and at night or later on in the day it turns into a reunion place where you can also find live music sometimes. Listen in.
Mañana pasado yo voy a tu casa, tu mamá te ordena una silla para mí.
Sometimes you can even find yummy ice cream vendors in this area. ¿Te gusta?
Hay que pasar otros 3 años para que volvamos.
Right down here is where we ate our pozole last time, and the girls ate the best quesadillas and taquitos de barbacoa the other day. That's this little establishment right here. If you are here on a Thursday, pozole is a must try. Guess what? We found more homemade ice cream. Vámonos de fiesta. Coco, chocolate, nuez. Yummy. We also found the best licuados in the market. Try them out. Okay, aquí estamos subiendo. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath. So this is why we're not working out right now, because we've been walking around a lot. But we're going to my in-laws house, which is up here. Aquí está. Y todo el caminito está para arriba. So they could see like the whole town from way up there. We're out of breath. I am seriously going to miss this view from my father-in-law's balcony. It is impressive. Look at all that mountains. You can really see the church from here. In the center. And you can just see everything. I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow up this little walkway, somewhere up there. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to show support.